Okay, we've finally come to the point where we can begin to assemble the house and make it look like a structure. We're going to start with two of our walls, take our plastic cement, and put a bead of this right along one edge. And then take the corresponding wall and set it in place. You'll notice there are tabs on the back of the kit to help you keep everything aligned. And while we're holding it, we're going to apply a little bit more cement here to the back to flow in there and keep everything square. Now this doesn't set up too terribly quickly, so you have time to work with it. But we want to make sure we've got lots of glue in there for a nice strong bond. Next we'll take a square. Make sure we have these pieces at a 90-degree angle and hold them in place. I find it best to do both halves of the building first and then assemble the two halves together to make the house. Once that's set, we'll repeat the same process for the next two walls. Here's another quick tip. As you're assembling the final walls, having a couple of rubber bands on hand is a great way to keep everything tightly secured and bound together. Now we'll let this sit while the glue dries.